Future tech enthusiasts can invest in the next digital frontier by investing in metaverse real estate and stocks. Writer Neal Stephenson published his third novel, Snow Crash, in 1992. Stephenson's characters interact in a digital environment where appearances can be changed at a moment's notice, and digital real estate is just as valuable as its physical counterpart. This digital environment is called the Metaverse. Now, public companies like Meta, or formerly Facebook, and decentralized autonomous organizations like the Decentraland Foundation are working to make the Metaverse a profitable reality 28 years later. New revenue opportunities have opened up for retail investors, gamers, digital collectors, and developers, and possibly even you. Now keep in mind, metaverses are still in their infancy and the value proposition has not yet been established. It is highly speculative and risky to invest in the metaverse. So of course, this is not financial advice, and you should do your own research before investing in anything in this video. So starting off with Metaverse Stocks, investing in publicly traded companies whose business models or profitability are linked to the Metaverse is the least volatile way, usually, to gain exposure to the Metaverse. Now here's a list of publicly traded companies that might be of interest to you. Number 1, Meta Platforms. Ticker symbol FB. In October, Mark Zuckerberg announced the company formerly known as Facebook Inc. would undergo a major rebranding and become Meta Platforms Inc. Meta released its virtual reality metaverse platform, Horizon Worlds, since the announcement. Among the hottest gifts over the holidays was Meta's Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. The impact of headset sales on Horizon Worlds users remains to be seen, however. Number 2, we have Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX. Roblox is an online metaverse platform that allows gamers to create and share virtual worlds with other Roblox users. Now, Roblox has grown rapidly since its inception in 2006, with 9.5 million independent developers, 24 million unique digital experiences, and 49.4 million daily active users, up 35% year over year. Still, despite those numbers, the company has yet to turn a profit. Number 3, Boeing, ticker symbol BA. Boeing is utilizing the metaverse to extend and improve its production capabilities. Reuters reported that Boeing chief engineer Greg Hyslop said the company was planning to create a proprietary digital environment in which human, computer, and robot employees communicate and collaborate seamlessly across the globe. Number 4, Microsoft MSFT. Microsoft is looking to find its metaverse niche in the professional world. Earlier, it was announced that Microsoft just purchased Activision Blizzard for nearly $70 billion as their massive metaverse move. The company plans to release Mesh for Microsoft Teams in 2022. With the add-on to the popular video conferencing platform, individuals can make their own avatars and collaborate in a holographic 3D environment that transcends geographic boundaries. Holoportation, a tool that lets users access the previous digital environment with a VR headset, will be a key feature of Microsoft Mesh. A lifelike digital representation of the user appears with the ability to interact with the team members as if they were actually in person. How cool is that? Next up, we have Metaverse Real Estate. The Metaverse is still in its infancy, as we mentioned before, but platforms such as the Sandbox and Decentraland are already selling digital real estate in the form of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which are digital tokens on the blockchain network that can represent a wide variety of unique items. NFT owners can rent, sell, or build on their virtual properties once the virtual real estate is purchased. Its very own crypto casino has been built by the Japanese video game maker Atari after purchasing 20 parcels in Decentraland. Atari's native ERC20 based Atari token allows gamblers to place bets and receive winnings tax-free in crypto. The company has also announced plans to launch its own virtual hotel complex in 2022. The next way you can invest in the metaverse is through cryptocurrency tokens. Now, the metaverse is powered by fungible tokens, or tokens that are divisible and exchangeable on blockchain networks. Digital assets such as virtual land and avatar outfits can be acquired using these tokens. Crypto or fiat currencies can also be exchanged for them. The owners of certain metaverse cryptocurrencies can also vote on decisions within a metaverse platform, such as where money should be invested or which new features to release first. Ideally, as the value of digital assets rise, so will the value of their associated tokens. Now, some Metaverse platforms such as Decentraland burn all mana tokens used to purchase digital assets, removing them permanently from circulation and increasing the value of the remaining tokens. Now, these Metaverse tokens listed below are sorted by market cap in descending order. These, of course, are inherently risky since they are cryptocurrency and should be viewed as speculative investments. Generally speaking, you should never invest more than you are willing to lose. First up, we have Decentraland. Decentraland's mana token powers the Decentraland metaverse and is used as a medium of exchange for the platform's marketplace with a market cap of about $6 billion and more at the time of this video. Number 2 is Axie Infinity. Unlike Decentraland's mana, which is used to purchase digital goods and services, Axie Infinity's AXS token is a governance token. This means that those who own AXS will be able to vote on proposed decisions that will affect the Axie Infinity ecosystem, including how funds in the community treasury are spent. The AXS token will be modified in the future so that it can be used to purchase digital goods and services on Axie Infinity. Number 3, the Sandbox. The Sandbox is focused on a metaverse of user-generated content much like Roblox. Sands tokens are awarded to individuals who participate in the Sandbox's alpha user testing. You can also buy Sand tokens on digital exchanges. The Sand token has utility, governance, and staking functions. Sand holders can use it to buy digital goods and services, vote on proposed initiatives within the Sandbox, and stake it for future rewards. Enjin Coin. Enjin is a blockchain gaming company. Enjin delivers a wide range of play-to-earn gaming experiences as opposed to the Sandbox and Axie Infinity, which offer only a single metaverse product. In order to provide real-world value for digital assets, Enjin's native token, ENJ, is infused into every NFT minted within its ecosystem, making it unique. Now, what lies for the future of the metaverse? Millions of dollars are being spent by companies investing heavily in the metaverse to convince consumers that the dawn of the metaverse has arrived. Can it usher a new era of mass adoption and barrier-free digital interaction, or will it remain a niche product reserved for gamers and tech enthusiasts alone? That remains to be seen. For now, retail investors interested in the metaverse should explore these platforms and weigh its future value for themselves. Now, guys, I want to know your opinion. What do you think about the metaverse? Is it here to stay, or is it just a fad that will come and go? Leave a comment in the description box below. And if you have any other questions about the metaverse or cryptocurrency or DeFi in general, join us on our Telegram group at RugDoc. I'll leave that in the description as well. As always, guys, stay safe in the DeFi space and have an amazing day.